welcome to Play Smooth Piano. This song is also a request by a current subscriber. Once again, I appreciate the request. Keep them coming. This song is by Sam Smith. It's called I'm Not the Only One, and the piano is nice, very bluesy. We're going to jump straight into this. You're basically going to play A flat, then a G, or A flat, then an A natural, really fast. Then play a C twice, A, D flat twice, then you're going to play F, A, D. So it's then you're going to play F, A, B flat, D. So you're basically going to repeat that over and over. Three times rather. Then right here, I'm playing a G and a C, then an F and an A. Left hand, you're basically playing an F. Whoops, you're going to go F, A, D. And if you can't see the A on the keyboard, it's playing an F, an A, which is an octave lower, then a D. This note here, just an octave lower. I'm going to do that over and over 3 times. Actually, you're going to play a B flat after that. So that's a B flat here, an octave lower. So it's do that 3 times. Finally, on the 4th time, you're just going to play a C, then back to the F. Let's pretend that was the 3rd time. And that's it. And then occasionally during the bridge, so you can play, after you play the you can play a B flat and a D and a B flat in the left.